Hi, my name's Linda, and I'm going to do a little thing about the RSOEEDIS site. I was just looking at the supervolcanoes. There's a lot of earthquakes right now. Asia 4.9, Europe 5.0, Russia, India 4.7s, and if you see right here, this shows that there's volcanoes nearby. I'm seeing a lot of activity of earthquakes near volcano sites. But the interesting thing is, as I was looking down here at the supervolcano monitoring system, and I noticed Lake Toba in Indonesia. The activity was, the last activity was February 20th. And then I looked again a little bit further down, Indonesia again, on February 16th. So I want to go to Lake Toba, and the last activity was, like I said, was on the 20th of February, and it was a 5.2 magnitude, and it shows quite a bit of activity in the last, well, more activity in 2011 than there was in 2012 so far. But these are supervolcanoes. And I'm going to put the links in here so you can go to them. The last eruption on this one was at 74,000 years ago. This is a mega colossal explosive index of 8, making it possibly the largest volcano eruption within the 25 million years. So if this thing goes, wow. Okay, and then here's another one. This is another supervolcano called Mount Tambora. And it has had more activity in 2012 than that other volcano. And if you look, the depth of this is getting shallower and shallower, and the earthquakes are getting stronger. Actually, they're pretty strong all the way along. They're usually 4.7s to 5.0s, 4.5. This also is a supervolcano. Last time this one erupted was in 1815, and it also created climate anomalies, and became known as the year without a summer back in 1815. Killed 92,000 people. Well, that's all I have for now. If you're interested, let me know, and I'll post this on YouTube, and I hope to hear from you. And give me your comments. Let me know if you'd like me to do this again. Thank you, and have a good day.